And welcome to your ASX chart of the day for today, 14th of September 2023. Today we're looking at Lynas Rare Earths Limited, ticker code LYC, obviously in the rare earth space. And a stock that we've covered before, but there is some interesting price action today, which we think is noteworthy. If we look at the chart, you can see since the back end of July, we've had a steady up move, tested this 200 EMA that you can see this red line here a couple of times over the last 2 weeks, but today's price action looks interesting in that it's not only breached that, but that 741 level that we thought was important previously. Trading towards the high of the session, certainly in the first instance, a move up of pretty close to 5% is on the cards if we retest the highs from the beginning of June. How much we've got after that remains to be seen, of course, but the next level up from that is around about this 850 level that you can see we were at early Feb. Still down for the year to date, but looks as though there's some buying pressure coming back into this stock and worth checking out towards the back end of the day to make sure that we are still looking quite buoyant.